Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 4th, 2022, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a fabulous day today. Um, Not only did we make money, but it basically confirmed the fabulous day we had yesterday. That's very important. We're getting confirmation of these breakouts, and that's exactly what we have not seen uh, for 9 months of the 2021 trading year. So I am hopeful that this is going to hold up. Uh, if it does, we're in for a great year. That's all I can say. Uh, you're looking at the Dow here. The Dow clearly made a new record high today, both intraday and on the close. You can see it was straight up right from the beginning, and this would have been the intraday high. It did pull back some, but that pullback is still an all-time record close. You can see it better on the long-term chart here. You can see right here. This this is today's action, the high right there, and that's substantially above the previous all-time record high, which was actually the beginning of November. I've been saying that was October. No, the beginning of November. That previous high in the Dow was. So we're doing just great there. We had 21 positions coming in, and we had $20,000 in open trade equity, and we closed that out with almost $29,000 in closed out trades. Please note, we held the positions overnight, and they got more valuable as a result of our overnight hold. That is the way it is supposed to go. We're supposed to make money by holding overnight, and it happened last night just like it's supposed to. We got into 8 new positions plus 1 holdover, and 7 of those are positive. Only 2 were negative, and we're holding positive over $7,000 going into tomorrow. The Dow, if I didn't mention, gained 215 points today. Yeah, it was just like all these complaints. I've been complaining every day about the whack-a-moles. The whack-a-moles disappeared. They disappeared for yesterday, and they disappeared for today. Nobody was jumping in and selling a stock simply because it moved higher. They stood back and let the stocks move higher on the breakouts, and that's what we need. That's what we want to see. If those guys just stay clear of our trades at least part of the time, we can make some money. And it just worked out beautifully today. I'll show you 3 of the stocks we traded today. This first one is CLR, which is Continental Resources Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday on the pop. It closed mildly profitable there, but big gap up this morning, and just a little pullback there, but that's not too bad. And we are holding positive $3,000 in Continental Resources Incorporated. Good looking trade there. I'm sure we're going to do well with that. This next one is interesting. We're getting a lot of good trades in energy, and this is PDC Energy Incorporated. The ticker is PDCE, and we bought this yesterday on a pop here. It closed profitably, popped up some more this morning. That's what we're supposed to see by holding overnight. And we got out of this with $5,100 in profit. It kept going, and we got re-entered. That's scary. Boy, you don't want to see whack-a-moles jump on that. They did not. And even though we're not wildly profitable, we still are up $160 on that PDC Energy Incorporated re-entry trade. We'll see how that goes tomorrow. But we took over $5,000 on the first one, so I'm very happy with that stock. And finally, this is probably our best one of the day. This is Gush, Gush. That is an ETF with oil and gas exploration 3 times. And we got the pop on this yesterday. It closed profitably. Again, powerful move up this morning for our exit, increasing the value of the trade. We took $6,800 on the first trade. We got re-entered, and re-entry went higher, and we're holding $1,100 in open trade on the re-entry. So combine the two, that's an $8,000 move right there, and it's not over yet. I am delighted. I am happy. I'm just praying this keeps up. I mean, we can't have days like this every day, but what I like is we're not seeing that selling every time stocks pop. They break out and they keep moving and they leave them alone and let them move higher. That's what we need. Anyway, I'm very happy. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.